engare ne loke district loko kalaki ne sada nyun ke da deden ke da nyura ne polo noe ko utas da chuti ai toronar Ekontrakita lokada Bygone Enterprises Limited kanukada chutmam ai tolot Aswam na inaita ingesi kwa peda ebeito Francis Okwamerin le raya tupton aradisi kotom no district loko kalaki ngesalim daibe kotom na rere unor kereda ai man Aswam snake di projects lwe gitigita lwa pugan esishia utudo kwa nakes daibe esomero loka Apapa Seed Secondary School nesake duko eja alosti mot.
One contractor like this one inclusive was given 3 contracts in one, now totaling to about 8 billion contract, and you cannot guarantee that he can be competent enough to supervise those contracts in time while maintaining quality. I want to advise government that a review of this be done so that a contractor should be given at least one contract so that the contractor is able to manage it timely.
Aduko na kesomero loka Apapa Seed Secondary School esibusa kint ayangari ibilioni lwe doleti yare kede imilioni akwataka nyape ido isirigin lwe juko ntai ko doleti bala imilioni akwataka nyangon keseringas ejiasi kwa mamda chuti tosomaite nusu kotoma ageon kotom no lapa loto monti adopo karula tubor na eda poni kopare ai boys ne beita duku ne somero lokotoma toni kwana eringa bere bokuntai e foundation bonbon kuma maduko negeun neit kotoma.
Contractor does not have equipment in the site, even doesn't have materials in the site. He doesn't have enough manpower in the site. What he simply has here is about 1 or 2 staff who have been struggling with excavation of the ground 4 months down the road since the site was handed over. So today we have agreed that we have given him an official warning to make sure he puts right all those areas which we have cited to be loopholes. Lest that inside 1 month we are coming again for another site meeting. If we find that he has not addressed the areas that have been highlighted, we shall now take an action against the contractor.
Lera polone cholong El Siloi Kanyet loko district loko Kalaki Samuel Okelo ngesde jatar keda kurio ko bela daibe ko tupriti kedilla pe yare bonule saltoslu e jatar nges keda kurio ara chute pedre contractor aitolot Aswam kojokan kwa peda ebeito.
Our biggest problem as government or as districts is by the end of June of every financial year, whatever money is not spent, whether it is for projects or for operations, that money goes back to the treasury. And now our biggest worry is the contractor is not progressing well with the work that is expected of him. And my biggest fear as a district leader is this money can easily go back, which becomes very difficult to retrieve the money back.
This contract was aimed at helping the locals by getting employment, but this is what has not happened. So it is even an embarrassment and a disappointment to even the people at the locality.
Konyele Right Technical Director loka Bygone Enterprises Limited Bosco Okelo Odongo ngesebalada be mama tune sara inake konye apot kesi kiyapata kanukada einwag iboro kwa penat alupuk lebusa kendikes aitolot kededa adukunda esomero long.
We had a challenge when we came out. The layout had a bigger piece of land, but the land was small, so we had to redesign to come back to use the available land which was on the ground. So that also delayed us too. For you to do this work, you need to assure the client that you need to provide the performance guarantee. So we had to run around from the bank to look for the performance guarantee, and we serve with them. Also part of this contract that you get the advance guarantee. And for you, the bank to guarantee you that this should give you this money, it means that you need to have almost equivalent amount in your account, or you give a security.
Around kwana ai dareun koto mone lapio yarwe saltoslu anyun aradu keta nwegitigita busa kinda jor koto mono somero kalon edukunos koto mna pakda na ebeitor teteke insiriginda mam ebongorete. Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokalaki District.